Students, today in this class we'll learn how to use target attribute of anchor tag. So target attribute, actually by default the link, whenever we create hyperlink, the link document always opens up in the current window. So if we want to link to open in another window, we need to add a target. Actually, the target attribute specifies where to open the linked document. The target attribute has four different values, like underscore blank, underscore parent, underscore self, underscore top. So let's see how to use these values of target attribute. For this, I have opened my folder, hyperlink folder. Then you see I have created two. Here is a document, hyperlink document. So click here. If you click here, both the pages are linked. So these are already created. Now see, when we click on this click here option, there we get the new window that is open in this browser. So this way we get the link document in the current window after creating the hyperlink. Now we'll use the target attribute. First we'll use here with the first web page, we'll use target attribute, and we must give underscore blank. Then what will happen? So if we use underscore blank, you see the target attribute we have used for this page 2, the HTML, which will get opened up. Save it. So click here. If you click on the click here, see one new tab is open for this. That means it is now open in another browser window. Earlier it was open in the same browser window. Now after using the target blank, we have got this in another browser, another tab. It is another browser window we have got. So in this tab, it is displayed. And see, we have gone to the first tab, to this tab to go to the first page. Again, see, second page is here. So it is open in another browser window. And this happened because of tab. We have used blank. So we have used blank value for the target attribute. Now we will use another value, that is top. So because of blank, I have used top here, underscore top. Now save it, and what will happen? You see, double click. Now see, click here, one tab is open, the one window. Click here, see, it is open in the same window. In the same tab, same window it is open because we have used top, the value underscore top. This is the use of top, which opens the link document in the same browser window. But in case of blank, what we got? We got that when we use the underscore blank, then the link document opens up in new browser window. Next, we learned another value, that is underscore self. It is a value of a target attribute which is used to open the link document in the same frame, which is useful in case of frame. You see, it is a frame window. In this first frame, you see, click here. If you click here, actually I have the previous tag. I will delete first. Okay. Here, let's say there's no target here. Now we'll open the frame. You see what we have got. Frame normally it is displayed in the same frame. Link frame is a link document. It is displayed in the same frame. But if you want to display the link, this page, the link document in another location, that means we can open it in the parent frame or in the same frame. For this, we have to use two different values of target attribute. You see, okay, it is a frame we have used here. Now we'll have to set the target attribute with the A tag. That means both the web documents are inserted in the frame. So here we'll use this page 2 will be opened up in, not in that same frame, it will be opened up in another parent frame, let's say. For this, we have to use target. If we give target underscore parent, then you see this web page, save it, go to the frame. Now it will be opened up, you see, in the browser window, full browser window. Actually, that was linked. That was the original frame for that link document. It is the original frame for a link document. You see, page 1 is linked here with page 2, but target we have set as parent. That means it will get opened up in its, though it is in the frame, it is set like to open up in parent. That's why it is opened up in its parent window, parent frame. So this we have got with the help of target equals to underscore parent. That means it will get opened up in its original frame. Next, one more value is there, that is top, underscore top. Again, it is useful in case of frame. Sorry, underscore self. Top is shown, top was shown. Now, again, it is useful for frame. For this, we have to set the page first. Now we'll put the target for here for self now. Self, if you use, these pages will be inserted into the frame after setting the target. Now see in the frame, if you click here, where the self, you see, it will get open in the same frame. Same frame we have got because we have used underscore self. But if we use parent, underscore parent, what happened? That will get open in its parent frame. That was before the, wherever the page was set. In that particular frame, the page will get open if we use underscore parent. And if we use underscore self, then the page, that link page will get open up, not in that another frame, it will get open up in that same frame. So these are all about different values of target attribute.